Assalamu alaikum, good evening, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. This is Dow Jones chart. Currently US 30 indices is trading 27,700. Yesterday it went around 27,200. Currently trading almost 500 points up from its lows. Now let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess how we can trade in Dow Jones today. Currently Dow Jones resistance stands at 27,900. Dow Jones support stands at 27,300. If you are a risky trader and you can afford to take small risk, then you can initiate a sell around 720, 750 with stop loss of 27,900 for target of 27,400 and 27,000. Currently Dow Jones is in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. If you wish to buy, then you should wait Dow Jones to break 27,900. Now let's move on to S&P 500. This is S&P 500 chart. Currently it is trading 33.67.68. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. S&P 500 support stands at 33.50. S&P 500 resistance stands at 33.85. So if you are a risky trader and you can afford to take small risk, then you can initiate a sell around 33.70-72 with stop loss of 33.85 for target of 33.50 and 33.20. If you don't want to take risk and you want a safer trade and you wish to go in buy, then you should wait S&P to break 33.85. When S&P 500 break 33.85, you can initiate a buy with stop loss of 33.60 for target of 34.15 and 34.30. Currently Dow Jones and S&P 500 both are in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. If you wish to buy, then you should wait both indices to break our resistance. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq chart, currently trading 11,225. It almost went below 11,000 and currently recovering from the lows of 10,936. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Nasdaq resistance stands at 11,330. Nasdaq support stands at 10,930. 10,930 is the major support. If Nasdaq break this level and manage to sustain below 10,930, then expect Nasdaq to test around 10,700 and 10,500. If Nasdaq break 11,330, then expect Nasdaq to break 11,500 and 11,800. Currently Nasdaq is in weak zone, so if risky trader wants, they can initiate a sell around 230, 240 with stop loss of 11,330 for target of 11,100 and 10,900. Currently all US indices are in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. If anyone wish to buy, then they should wait all indices to break the resistance and sustain at least 30 to 60 minutes. Then you can initiate a buy. Now let's move on to gold prices. This is gold chart. Gold price is trading 1934. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Gold support stands at $1917. Gold resistance at $1942. Currently gold price is trading in positive zone, so I will not recommend any buy. If anyone has already bought these levels or bought on higher level, then they should place a stop loss below $1917. If gold breaks $1917, then expect gold to test around $1905 or $1890. Currently gold is in positive zone, so I will not recommend any sell. If anyone wish to sell, then they should wait gold to break $1917. Only below $1917 gold will be in weak zone, otherwise it may test today's high or even test $1950. So avoid selling. If you wish to sell, then you should wait gold to break $1917. Now let's move on to euro, then we will assess crude oil and Bitcoin. This is euro, currently trading almost 1800, but it has to sustain above 1810 in order to resume the buying. So I am assuming that euro has already broke the 1810 and sustaining above 1810. so it has entered in positive zone. Please note, I am assuming it is not sustaining currently on above 1810, but I am assuming it has already sustained above 1810 and enter in positive zone, because in order to turn positive, euro need to break 1810 and sustain above that level. So we are assuming it had already broken 1810 because it is trading 18.2 or 18.3. Let's have a resistance and support first. Euro support will be 1750. After that, euro resistance would be 1860. So if euro break 1810 and manage to sustain above that level for at least 30 to 60 minutes, then these levels will be valid. Otherwise it is still trading in weak zone, but I am assuming that it had already broken that 1810 level, this level, and sustaining above that level. It is just a normal guess that euro of course will break above 4 to 5 pips from here. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. First we will see crude oil, then we will see Bitcoin. This is crude oil chart. It has broken the resistance which I have given in morning. I usually update twice in a day, one in Hindi and one in English. You can watch my Hindi video in Asian session. I have given my Hindi channel link in description. Let's have a look at resistance and support of crude oil. This is WTI crude oil, also known as US crude oil. Crude oil resistance at $38.50. Crude oil support at $36.50. Currently crude oil is trading in a weak zone, so I will not recommend any sell. If anyone wish to sell, then they should wait crude oil to break 36.50. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin chart, currently trading 10,190. Let's have a look at resistance and support, then we will assess the trend. Bitcoin resistance stands at $10,350. Bitcoin support at $98.20. If you are a risky trader and you can afford to take small risk, then you can initiate a sell around 10,190 and 10,200 with stop loss of 10,350 for target of 9,900 and 9,700. If you are a safe trader, then you should wait Bitcoin to break 10,350. Once Bitcoin breaks 10,350, you can initiate a buy with stop loss of 10,000 for target of 10,800 and 11,200. Currently Bitcoin is in weak zone, so I will not recommend any buy. Buy only above 10,350. That's it for this video. If you have enjoyed this video, do not forget to press the like button. If you want regular update, consider subscribing it by pressing the red subscribe button, and do not forget to click the bell icon. While clicking the bell icon, make sure you select bell all notification. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.